welcome to Shlok Stall World. Yesterday, I came back from a vacation from Dubai with my friends and I had experience of flying a Emirates Airbus A380 800 simulator. It was really fun. And a few months ago, I bought this Emirates model, small version model, and now I bought this Emirates Airbus A380 800 model from Dubai, and I'm gonna open it.
Use the power completely. Hold, yeah. Okay, Captain. So you were able to take off, able to say, yeah. Now I can reposition the aircraft for you to experience the landing. Completely up after the takeoff. Okay? This one is the throttle or the thrust control. It controls the speed of the airplane. Okay, so for the landing, you need to remember.
You have to pull it down.
Yeah, down and then hold close. Okay, and of course we'll be needing some power. Yeah.
So, when you landed,
Right up on one right. Slow. Let's go. Wait. A little to the right. A little to the right. A little to the right. Slow. Wait. Prepare for.
okay, now I'm unboxing this. And okay, so this is the plane. So this is the plane, Emirates, and the wheel we can move. And one minute. This is the fuselage, and these are the wings. So these are the engines of Emirates. It's four. And this is the where you hold Emirates and the wings here, the wings back. Okay, I'm gonna open these from the package, the engines. Okay, got it open. One. Each side of Emirates has two engines. Here are the engines. Yeah. Let me get these out. Okay, this is the stand for Emirates, and this is the back wings. It's hard to open. They packed this very well. Yep, these are the back. Let's assemble it now. How do these go? Got the first engine. Okay, we're first assembling the endings. Each side 2 endings. Yeah. Now let's put this together, the wings. And then in it's okay. Wow, guys, this is huge. I didn't know this planes in the model is really this big. Okay. Yeah, it's perfect. Now we just have to attach the back wings. Sorry, I'm drunk. Okay. Yep. And the plane is ready. But first we just have to put it attached to this. And I used to like this plane a lot. It's really fun. It's not really cool and so huge. And this is how it looks. Done with the plane. Looks really big and cool. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Click on the bell icon. Bye.